जय श्रीमन्नारायण 304th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Mahasenaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who will be absorbing the entire creation at the time of dissolution, Pralaya Kalam. You will take all these globes, all these galaxies, all these worlds into your stomach through your big mouth. Ho Srimannarayana. One of the great Maharshis, Markandeya Maharshi, says that I went inside the stomach of Paramatma and I have seen all the worlds within the stomach of Paramatma. Echa kinchinmaya loke drushtam sthavara jangamam tadapi asam aham sarvam tasya kukshau mahatmanaha. Markandeya Maharshi has witnessed all the worlds within your stomach. Ho Srimannarayana, such is your capacity. Ho Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Mahasenaya Namaha. Om Mahasenaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata is now talking to Shatrughna, saying that, "Ho Shatrughna, our Lakshmana is very fortunate person. He is getting to see our Sri Ramachandra Swami's divine face, which always glows like full moon. He is very fortunate. Ho Shatrughna, Lakshmana is very fortunate. He is getting to see our Sri Ramachandra Swami's divine face, which has lotus-like wonderful eyes. Ho Shatrughna, our Lakshmana is very fortunate. He is getting to see our Sri Ramachandra Swami's divine face, which always has great amount of effulgence. Ho Shatrughna, even Ramachandra Swami along with Sitamma staying on this Chitrakutam also is very, very lucky place. Ho Shatrughna, when are we going to see Sri Ramachandra Swami? Like this, Bharata is sharing all his emotions to Shatrughna and walking towards Ramashramam in that dense forest. On walking way he is walking towards Sri Ramachandra Swami's ashramam. After getting to some extent, Bharata is now seeing, Bharata is now observing, Bharata is now noticing from one place there is coming some smoke. The moment he has seen the smoke, Bharata tam drishtva Bharata Shriman Mumoha. After seeing that smoke, Bharata is feeling so much unlimited happiness. That happiness is like he is going to faint. Murcha Sadrusa Anandam. That amount of excitement is high level excitement. That kind of excitement Bharata is now going through, and he is walking towards that ashramam. He asked entire army, come on, stop over here. You should not be moving at all towards Ramashramam. You all have to stop here. Guhena sardham tvarito jagama. I am going to go to that ashramam along with Guha. He has taken Guha. He is walking very, very fast towards Ramashramam. He is asking all the Maharshis, oh Maharshis, you all please bring our mothers along with you all. You all come fast. Like that, he is asking, oh Shatrughna, look at that. There is Ramashramam. He is feeling so much excitement. Shatrughna is feeling so much excitement. All the mothers, all the Maharshis, entire army is feeling so much excitement. Now Bharata is noticing Ramashramam, which is situated in between, in the center of so many ashramam of all the rishis. Such wonderful Ramashramam Bharata is now getting to see. Now Bharata is seeing that there is Agnisala, Sri Ramachandra Swami's Agnisala. Now Bharata is getting to see there is a place where people who comes to visit Rama, there is a place where they all can sit and wait for Sri Ramachandra Swami. Bharata is now getting to see Bhratuhu Parnakutim, such a wonderful Kutiram Bharata is now getting to see. Also Bharata is now getting to see Kashtani cha apabhagnani pushpani upachitani cha. For the light in the night, the Bharata is now seeing that there are so many wood sticks, so that Rama Lakshmana can burn that wood sticks, and with the light coming out from that burning flames, that is what is the light for them in the night. For that reason, they collected so many wood sticks. Bharata is now getting to see all the bundles of wood sticks. Bharata also now getting to see there are so many flowers which are collected for Sri Ramachandra Swami and Sitamma to do puja, everyday puja. Bharata is also now getting to see there are so many indications on so many trees. Even Rama and Lakshmana, whenever they get to go out of the ashramam to bring some food or to bring some water, there are some indications they made, so that nobody would miss the place, nobody would lost the way, so that with those indications they can slowly come towards ashramam. And also that is the indication, that is the coordination between Rama and Lakshmana, that yes, Rama is gone for food, yes, Lakshmana is gone for food. Like that, for both of their mutual understanding, Rama Lakshmana put some indications to the trees with their own cloths and with some of the darbhas. Now Bharata is getting to see all those indications. Bharata is now slowly, with a fast pace, approaching towards Ramashramam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 33rd sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Yugadikrit Yugavarto Naikamayo Mahasanaha Adrusyo Vyaktarupascha Sahasrajit अनन्तजित्। ओम सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। ओम महासेनाय नमः। ओम महासेनाय नमः। ओम महासेनाय नमः।